How to fix Class of Clans connection lost problem. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, simply move into General and then head over to iPhone storage. In this page, scroll down and head over to Class of Clans. Tap on Offload app. Once again, click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs, and it should also fix the issue that you have been facing. But in case if it doesn't fix the issue, the next thing you want to do is head over to App Store. Inside the App Store, in the search bar, search for Class of Clans. And then click on this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing the issue. In this case, simply click on update and update the app. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. If it is not working properly, then simply head over to it and click on forget this network and then once again click on forget. After that, enter the password again and reconnect it. It should fix the issue that you have been facing and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.